In this video, we're diving into how to create high converting ad scripts with Creatify AI for TikTok Shop without showing your face, recording a voiceover, or spending hours editing videos from scratch. What's up, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you grow your e-com brand faster and smarter with tools that make the content grind feel a whole lot easier. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Why Creatify is a game changer for TikTok Shop. Making videos for TikTok can feel like a full-time job. You've got to plan the hook, shoot the content, edit it, find trending sounds, and post consistently just to get a shot at going viral. If you're selling products on TikTok Shop or trying affiliate marketing, it can get overwhelming fast. Creatify basically says, hey, what if you didn't have to do all that? It takes your product link, like one from Amazon or Shopify, and it turns it into a polished, scroll-stopping ad in just a few minutes. You get AI-generated scripts, B-roll, voiceovers, avatars, captions, call to actions, the whole thing. It's built to help people pump out short-form video content without needing a camera, microphone, or any editing software. Creatify really simplifies online selling, letting you avoid the on-camera appearances and hours of editing to efficiently improve your TikTok Shop performance. So to start using Creatify and follow along with this tutorial, go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get started. When you click that link, it'll bring you to this page right here. You can go ahead and just click right here where it says try Creatify for free, and well, try it for free. Step 1, pick a product that already has momentum. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is find a product that's already performing well on TikTok or Amazon. Think of stuff that's already got traction. The kind of thing that you keep seeing pop up over and over on your For You page. That's a good sign that people are into it. Let's say maybe you find something like a compressed air duster. This thing's been everywhere on my FYP lately. It cleans keyboards in tight spaces, and it's oddly satisfying to watch. Tons of creators have made videos about it, and a lot of them have gone viral. That's what makes a product like this perfect. When something already has proven demand and video content floating around, you don't have to do as much of the heavy lifting. You can use that existing buzz and ride the wave instead of starting from scratch. Step 2, upload manually or paste a product link. Now, once you've gone ahead and chosen your product and got started with your free trial, Creatify gives you two main ways to start building your video. There's a manual upload or a URL input. Let's break both of them down. The manual upload method. Now, this one gives you more control. You'll head to TikTok and search for your product, then download a few of the top performing videos using a watermark-free downloader. Just take short clips from each video, maybe 3 to 5 seconds here and there. These will be your B-roll shots. Just upload those to Creatify, and now you've got video assets that already look good on TikTok. Now, you're not stealing the full video or copying someone's script word for word. You're just remixing small pieces and building something new. The product URL method is way easier. So if your product's listed on Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, eBay, anywhere really, you can just paste the link into Creatify. The AI will pull everything that it needs. Product name, description, images, videos, reviews. It's honestly crazy how much info that it pulls in. Now, if the listing has good media assets like demo videos or customer review footage, you're already halfway to a solid video ad. You can even combine the two methods. You can use a product URL and also upload clips from TikTok. The more assets you give Creatify, the better the final video will be. All right, so I've had my eye on a Garmin watch for a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and just use this for an example. We'll go ahead and copy that URL, come back over here to Creatify and paste that in, and we'll go ahead and click on Analyze URL. Now here it's gonna get us to sign up, which is okay, so I'll go ahead and paste in my email here and click Continue with Email. All right, so after a quick email verification, we are now inside Creatify AI. So let's come here to AI Video Ads. We'll go ahead and click on Create Now, and we'll go ahead and repaste that Garmin link in there. And we'll go ahead and click on Analyze URL, and Creatify will go ahead and do its magic in the background. All right, so we went ahead and pasted the Amazon link in here, and now we've got our product description. We've got all these assets that it pulled from Amazon, and we can go ahead and select the ones that we want. And so I'll go ahead, I'll select this one. Maybe we'll add a couple more of these from customers. Those are videos, so we'll go ahead and leave those out. Step 3, choose your video settings. So now that your assets are in place, it's time to shape your video. You'll choose your aspect ratio, which should be 9:16 for TikTok. That's the tall, full screen vertical format that feels native on the platform. Then you'll pick your video length. Creatify lets you choose between 15 or 30 seconds. Now, some people swear by 15-second ads because they're fast, punchy, and easy to crank out, while others like the 30-second format because it gives you more room to explain or show off the product. Both can work, and honestly, it depends on the product and your target audience. I recommend that you try both and see what gets better results. Now, speaking of audience, this is where you can tell Creatify who this ad is for. So maybe you're selling a makeup product to women ages 18 to 30, add that in there. Marketing a beard trimmer to guys in their 20s, go ahead and plug that in. That info helps the AI craft a script and visuals that match the vibe of your audience. Okay, so now that we have our assets selected here, let's go ahead and click on next, and Creatify is going to do its thing, and this is where we go ahead and choose those settings. So you can go ahead and choose an actual platform here. So we'll go ahead and select TikTok and make sure that that 9:16 is selected. And here you can choose 15, 30, or 60 seconds. So for this example, we'll go ahead and choose 30 seconds. And then down here, it's got a target audience. So my guess is that it pulled this stuff from the Amazon listing because this all sounds very on brand for this type of product. So let's go ahead, we'll just do outdoor adventure enthusiasts, trail runners and hikers, fitness and health trackers. And we'll go ahead and click next. Now again, AI is just gonna do its thing here. Step 4, generate or write a script. Now this is where Creatify really shines. Once you hit next, the software takes all your inputs and writes a script for you. It doesn't just spit out one generic script either. It gives you options. You might see a few different tones like problem solution, emotional or story driven, Gen Z or casual, and straight up benefits list. Now, if the default scripts aren't perfect, no worries. You can tweak the words right inside the editor. You can also hit generate more to see other versions or paste your own script in manually. If you found a great script in a viral TikTok ad, then rewrite it in your own words and then drop it in. The bottom line is whether you write it yourself or let the AI do it, you've got a solid starting point in just minutes. All right, so it went ahead and gave us a few different options here. So there's trending topics here is what they chose for this. There's a problem solution, call to action, or a how-to. I kind of like this problem solution, and we'll keep it in this inspiring tone, and we'll go ahead and click next. Step 5, pick your avatar and voice. Now, if you want a human face and voice in your ad, you can pick from over 700 AI avatars. These look surprisingly real and come with all kinds of voice options, from British to American to more regional accents. There are even Gen Z toned voices if you want a laid back, relatable vibe. Now, some creators skip the avatar entirely and just use a voiceover, and that's totally fine too. It all depends on what matches your product and audience. What's cool is that Creatify's avatars aren't robotic. They can show emotion, use natural pauses, and actually look like they're talking to you. If you're trying to build trust with viewers or make the video feel more personal, avatars can definitely help. So taking a look here, we've got a lot to choose from, and we've got some different, filters that we can choose from here as well. So we can choose by gender, we can choose by age, we can choose location, industry, and style. So we'll go ahead, select a male, we'll choose adult, we'll go location, outdoor, industry, we'll do sports and outdoor, and style, we'll leave that for now. And we'll go ahead and we'll just choose this guy since he's outside and it's right there. So, okay, it looks like we can select 2. So we'll go ahead and select those first 2 guys there and click next. And then again, AI is just gonna do its thing. Step 6, customize the video in the editor. All right, now here's where you add the finishing touches. Creatify gives you a simple drag and drop editor that lets you tweak the visuals without needing to be a video pro. First thing, mute the background music. TikTok can be picky about sounds. If Creatify adds a song that isn't cleared for commercial use, your video could get muted when you upload it. So it's better to mute the music in Creatify and add trending TikTok audio during your upload. Next, you can adjust your subtitles. Change the font color to red or blue so it stands out more. And make sure that the text is big enough to read. Subtitles aren't just for accessibility. They keep people watching even if their sound is off. Then there's the CTA, or call to action. And this part matters. Add something like now only $25 or save $50 on your order or limited stock available on TikTok Shop. You can even drag a little arrow into the corner pointing at the TikTok Shop link. It's a small touch, but it helps guide the viewer's attention and boosts click-throughs. Lastly, play around with your B-roll clips. Drag different sections onto the timeline, trim them down, mix in a few seconds from each asset. The goal is to keep the video visually interesting. On TikTok, attention spans are short. If your ad just shows one long clip, then people will swipe away. Aim to switch up the visuals every 3 to 5 seconds. Show the product in action. Show different angles. Show people reacting to it. The more variety, the better. All right, so we've got a couple different options here. So let's go ahead and check them out and see how they look. So we'll go ahead and let's just see this green screen effect.
When unpredictable weather and rugged trails used to cut my adventures short, I found myself searching for a smartwatch that could keep up. With the Garmin Instinct 3, I finally have unlimited power under any sky, a built-in flashlight for every night trek, and health insights that help push my boundaries. Now I explore further and feel more alive. Experience what's possible with the Instinct 3. Take the next step.
So as you can see, the lip sync was a little off, and that's to be expected. Creatify AI says that. So once you render it, it'll go ahead and it'll link that up. So
when
let's go ahead and check out another option here. This is called Dynamic Vanilla.
Unpredictable weather and rugged trails used to cut my adventures short, I found myself searching for a smartwatch that could keep up. With the Garmin Instinct 3, I finally have unlimited power.
Yeah, it is pretty vanilla. So let's go ahead. We'll come down here to this.
When unpredictable weather and rugged trails used to cut my adventures short, I found myself searching for a smartwatch that could keep up. With the Garmin Instinct 3, I finally have unlimited power under any sky, a built-in flashlight for every night trek, and health insights that help push my boundaries. Now I explore further and feel more alive. Experience what's possible with the Instinct 3. Take the next step.
Perfect. So we'll go ahead and click on Edit here, and we'll go to the editor. And this is what the editor looks like here inside of Creatify.ai. So we've got this timeline down here where we've got the different clips here, and we've got this music. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete that music completely. Again, we don't want that because it could mess things up with TikTok, and TikTok can be very particular about the sounds that it likes. So we'll go ahead and get rid of that. And again, you can kind of scrub through here, see if there's anything that you need to change. You can come over here on the left-hand side and go to the script and edit via text that way, which is pretty cool. You can come here and swap out avatars. This is where you can go ahead and change the caption. So I don't really love those captions. They're kind of getting a bit lost there. So maybe we choose something like this, and we'll go background color. We'll just make that like a super bright red, and maybe we'll make that a bit wider like that, so it's all one word there. Yeah, now we're talking. Let's go ahead and press play
When
again.
Unpredictable weather and rugged trails used to cut my adventures short, I found myself searching for a smartwatch that could keep up. With the Garmin Instinct 3, I finally have unlimited power under any sky, a built-in flashlight for every night trek, and health insights that help push my boundaries. Now I explore further and feel more alive. Experience what's possible with the Instinct 3.
So once everything looks good, you can go ahead and click render, and it looks like I don't have enough credits here on this free trial. Oh yeah, I do. We'll go ahead and click render video. That's gonna do its own thing there. It might take a little bit. And yeah, step 7, export, upload, and A/B test. Now once everything looks good and you're happy with your video, you're ready to render your video and export. It usually takes a minute or two, and each video uses a few Creatify credits, depending on your plan. You can download the final version, upload it to TikTok manually, and then add your caption, hashtags, and trending sound. That's it. You've just made a full ad with barely any effort. But here's where you take it to the next level. Test multiple versions. Duplicate your video, change the script, swap out the avatar, try a different call to action. Creatify makes it super easy to test different variations. You can make 10 versions of the same product in under an hour. Run them all and see which ones performs best. That's how you start to scale. So creating TikTok ads doesn't have to be hard. With Creatify, you can go from idea to ready to post video in just minutes. No filming, no editing headaches, no second guessing scripts or setups. It's fast, it's easy, and honestly, it's kind of fun. So if you're selling on TikTok Shop or using affiliate links, this is one of the simplest ways to start creating content that actually converts. If you want to get started with Creatify AI, Shopify, or anything else that we recommend for TikTok Shop, even some TikTok ad credits, there'll be links down in the description below. Now these are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create videos just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. All right, so it looks like our video went ahead and rendered. So let's go ahead and download it and see what the final version looks like.
When unpredictable weather and rugged trails used to cut my adventures short, I found myself searching for a smartwatch that could keep up. With the Garmin Instinct 3, I finally have unlimited power under any sky, a built-in flashlight for every night trek, and health insights that help push my boundaries. Now I explore further and feel more alive. Experience what's possible with the Instinct 3. Take the next step.
Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.